Have you ever promised yourself you'd quit a bad habit, but you find yourself doing it again later? Maybe you swore you'd start waking up early, eat healthier, or finally stop scrolling at midnight. But, somehow, your brain always pulls you back. Don't worry. Here's the truth. It's not a lack of willpower. It's the way your brain works. Most people think habits are just about motivation. But motivation is fragile, it fades quickly. What actually controls your habits is something much more deeper, an invisible brain loop that repeats automatically, without your knowledge and permission. Researchers discovered that habits run through a three-step process, known as the habit loop. It works like this. Cue, something triggers the behavior. Routine, the behavior itself. Reward, the satisfaction your brain craves. Example, you feel stressed, cue. You grab junk food, routine. You feel temporary comfort, reward. The more you repeat it, the stronger the loop becomes, until it feels automatic and unconscious. Here's the dangerous part. Once a habit loop forms, your brain stops working hard. It hands control to the subconscious, saving energy. That's why you can drive home without even remembering the route. So how do you change? The secret is not to fight the craving. Cravings are powerful. They're built into the reward system of your brain. Instead, you replace the routine while keeping the cue and reward. Example, feeling stressed, cue. Instead of junk food, old routine, go for a short walk or write in a journal, new routine. The reward, stress relief, remains the same. This is how you reprogram your brain. Not overnight, but every repetition strengthens the new loop, until the old one fades. Here are 3 practical steps you can start today. Step 1. Identify your cues. Ask yourself, what triggers this habit? Is it time of day, emotion, or place? Step 2. Swap the routine. Keep the reward, but try a healthier action. Step 3. Repeat consistently. Habits are built with repetition, not motivation. Small wins compound. Habits shape your destiny. They're not just small actions, they're votes for the person you are becoming. If you master your habits, you master your future. This is Be Better, Personal Development. Subscribe for more strategies to build the life you deserve and become better. Thank you for watching.